Legionella testing can seem complex, but understanding the numbers on your report is crucial. You'll see terms like raw count and colony forming units per milliliter, and knowing the difference can help you interpret the results correctly. Raw count is the initial number of bacteria colonies visible to the test plate, while colony forming units per milliliter is the final number you need to focus on. It gives you the accurate measurement of the bacteria concentration in the water by accounting for dilutions. Colony forming units per milliliter is the key number that determines the risk level of Legionella contamination. According to the CDC, for potable water, a reading under 1 CFU per milliliter is considered well controlled. Higher levels may require immediate action, like increasing disinfection or flushing the system. 1 to 10 CFU per milliliter is considered poorly controlled, and over 10 CFU per milliliter is considered uncontrolled by the CDC. When reviewing test results, always look at the CFU per milliliter to assess contamination and follow any local or federal guidelines to take the right steps for keeping your water safe. Consult with Legionella control systems to help analyze your test results and take the needed next actions. We offer a full range of services, including Legionella water management plans, remediation, testing, and mitigation.